Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create this beautiful environment like plants, flowers, stone, grass in Blender by using plant vegetation free add-on. And you can easily learn that how to create this beautiful environment in Blender by using this add-on. First, I open the Blender, select all and delete everything. Press Shift A to add a plane and scale it. Now I add some assets from asset browser and you can see that how I use these assets. If you don't know how to use these assets, plant library, free vegetation tool in Blender, you can watch my video. The link is in description. So I add some assets to this plane. For that I choose some vegetations like this, and here you can see a plant is added to this plane, and press N to open this panel, and here choose the bioreader, and here I choose my plane and hit this scatter object options, and you can see that these plants are scattered upon this plane. Now I add some more vegetation to this plane, say this, and hit scattered, and also some stone like environment to this plane, say these stones, and also scatter it. Here you can see now it's time to add a material to this plane. Here I choose this material to this plane. Now the material has been applied, and here in render view you can see that our all materials has been applied. Nice. Here I add some lighting to this scene, so I add some lighting like area light and move it along z-axis, and also scale it, and here in lighting I increase the strength of this area light up to 200, and now it's time to add a camera to this scene. Here I add camera and focus this camera, and by using walk navigation I set my camera into this scene. Nice. And render this. Now you can see that we can easily create this real environment by using plant vegetation tool in Blender. Thanks for watching.